your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah.
Hi, my name is Washira Wamboy. Welcome back to yet another YouTube video. So today we're doing 5 everyday quick hairstyles without gel, because these days most of the people are using gel to do quick hairstyles, and for someone who doesn't have gel, this I'm sure will be very helpful. So let's jump right into the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell to get more video updates when I post videos. Okay, so yes, let's get right into it.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second.
If you're using thread to hold your partitions, remember to be gentle, and if you're using rubber band, remember to oil them first to avoid hair breakage.
Me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything you would want me to know, let me know down in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. I hope these styles will be of help to you. I feel and they'll add up to your confidence as they have to me. Let's normalize natural hair, going an extra mile for our hair, because all my life I have never really known how to handle 4C hair, but blow drying it, applying chemical, extremely blow drying my hair until my strands are like weak. I've really never known how to take care of my 4C hair, but right now I'm on that journey to know. And I've also realized that my hair is actually very much silkier ever since I started using the rice water and the aloe vera, and it's only been like 2 weeks now, 2 times, and it's mind-blowing. Anyway guys, I have a video on that. Here's the link, make sure you check it out. So thank you so much for watching until the end. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post videos. Bye guys.